Withdrawing money from Authorize.net is done through a process known as settlement, where funds from customer transactions are transferred to your linked bank account. Here's how to ensure this process runs smoothly. Set up a merchant account. Authorize.net itself doesn't hold funds. Instead, it connects with a merchant account, which is where your payments are processed and deposited. Ensure you have a merchant account set up and connected to Authorize.net during registration. Automatic settlement. Authorize.net typically settles funds automatically once per day. You can configure this on your account. Funds from transactions are batched and sent to your merchant account at the end of each business day. Check your transaction status. Log into your Authorize.net account and navigate to the transaction report section to view recent payments and settlements. This lets you track which payments are being processed. Withdraw to your bank account. Once the funds have been transferred to your merchant account, they will automatically move to your linked business bank account. Depending on your merchant account provider, this may take 1 to 3 business days. Manual settlement. If you prefer manual settlement, you can initiate the batch process manually in the transactions section of your Authorize.net dashboard.